Are you trying to find a natural way to remove a wart on your skin? Just what is a wart anyway? The majority of wart types are generally harmless and very prevalent. A wart is a virus-induced, small, typically hard, innocuous growth on the skin. They do, however, happen when the virus penetrates the skin and can happen anywhere. A wart can be safely removed by utilizing organic ingredients. Essential oils may have the solution you're looking for and may even surprise you, saving you money on various treatment options. Keep watching this video to find out how to remove warts naturally. Did you know that many people find oregano oil to be effective in treating warts? Natural antibiotic, antiviral, antifungal, and analgesic properties are provided by oregano essential oil. Because of its ability to penetrate deep tissues and kill the virus that causes warts, oregano oil may be useful for treating warts. Tea tree essential oil. Strong essential oil known as tea tree is used to treat skin tags and is a common ingredient in many cosmetics, shampoos, and soaps. It has antiseptic, antiviral, and antifungal qualities that make it a great way to help get rid of warts. Your wart problem can also be treated naturally with a clove essential oil. Not only is clove well known as a flavorful spice for cooking, but it also has a long history of use as a wart-treating medication. This has antibacterial, antiviral, and antiseptic qualities. Additionally, it works as a natural anesthetic to lessen the pain that some types of warts may produce. Frankincense essential oil. A wide range of illnesses has been treated with this essential oil's medicinal properties. It has also been used as a cleaning agent for homes and a cosmetic. Frankincense is one of the best options for use to treat skin warts due to its astringent, antimicrobial, and wound healing characteristics. There are natural remedies available if you're sick of warts. You can create a natural anti-wart tincture using the aforementioned essential oils to help you get rid of them permanently and feel better about the appearance of your skin. But it is advised that you conduct a patch test on a small area of skin before using any essential oils to reduce the possibility of an allergic reaction. However, a doctor can prescribe medications that can rapidly and effectively be removing warts. Learn for yourself how these organic essential oils can help you get rid of warts naturally, and don't forget to let us know how they worked for you.